Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Facebook and signing in. This is where security lives. Once logged in, go directly to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and choose Security and Login. This is the hub for two-factor authentication. Make sure you have your phone nearby and decide whether you'll use SMS, an authenticator app, or both, because you will add a verification method now. Doing this reduces account takeover risk. It forces a second proof beyond your password, which matters for privacy and account safety. Next, choose the method that fits your routine. Once you click Use Two-Factor Authentication and tap Setup, pick an authenticator app for stronger protection or SMS if you prefer simplicity. A security key is best for power users. If you pick an app, scan the QR code or paste the key. If SMS, enter the phone number. Then, Facebook will ask you to confirm by typing the temporary code it sends. This verifies the connection and ensures codes will work when needed. To finish, save the recovery codes Facebook offers, write them down or store them securely, because they let you in if you lose access to your device. Add a backup phone or a second authenticator app to avoid lockouts. Once done, sign out and sign back in to test the flow, making sure codes are accepted. If anything goes wrong, use the recovery codes immediately, and if necessary, follow Facebook's account recovery steps. This prevents long-term lockout and restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.